Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Jojo and
Shruti.
yay. We're going to Astro World, Bella's
Song 2.
Astro World. Yes.
Bella, song number 2. Yes.
So this is 10th Feb. It
Hmm.
dropped and Mix Master Bella, lyrics, music produced by Okano, music arrangement Bella. Okay, and his pinned comment says he's here. He's here.
So
So
this is the one where the first one, May, we had a few questions, right? And we couldn't
yeah,
really
we were
exactly understand.
confused.
So hopefully this song 2 will kind of, if it is in a continuation, it might just answer a couple of our questions, which we
Yeah.
just had.
Yeah,
So
and also he said something in the intro that he's coming, Astro's coming, yeah, something like that,
yeah,
kuch bola
yeah,
tha na.
yeah.
So let's see. Chalo,
Okay.
ready?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Yes.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, play.
It's King Max, baby.
सड़क से उठ के रैप क्यों करने लगा तू सबको भूल के आगे मरने खड़ा क्यों आगे बेटे चल के राखे सपने कड़वे शब्द तेरे सर पे भारी अपने बस्ते भारी हो गए छेवी से तू ऐसा ही है मान हर दिशा में हर वजह से गुम हर दफा तू सबका माँ के चुन सब कहे तू किसका बाकी सगा सबसे ज्यादा तू ही पीछे रहा तेरे कर्मों में गलती सबकी नहीं होती है किस्मत उसकी है रहमत तू अब भी है जिंदा ये मान ये तेरे पसीने की कीमत है पर तेरे लिए ये गनीमत है इसलिए आज भी मेरी जरूरत है तुझे मैं I'm looking alive, I'm looking alive, I'm looking alive Astro Welcome to my Astro world I'm looking alive, I'm looking alive, I'm looking alive Astro, Astro, Astro Welcome to my Astro world मेरा बोलना आसान यही कहेगा ना तू पहले करके दिखाओ यही कहेगा ना तू सगा कौन तेरे साथ तुझे दिखता नहीं ब्रो तेरा सगा बाप तुझसे ही मिलता नहीं ब्रो काम ही नहीं मिला तुझे बोल कैसे तेरे हाथ में है महंगा सा फोन मिले तुझे जिम्मेदारियों से ज्यादा बोझ दीदी तूने मौत मेरे हाथों में ये बोल लिखी लकीरें मिट्टी है हाथ की लोगों को ये फ्लेक्स लगे तेरी हवाबाजी तेरे लगे तुझे बना डाली कामे काजी तूने मगर खामा में तुझे अभी चढ़ी है जर्रासी टिके यहाँ बहुत तेरे बाद आने वाली चले यहाँ ज्यादा तेरे साथ आने वाले तेरे मेरे बीच के ये फासले मिटा के देख मिलेगा वो सब जो ये सोच भी ना सके Astro तेरे दिल की आवाज तेरी बची कुची राख तेरे जलने के बाद तेरी कसमें बेकार तरकश इस जुबान तुझे कर दूं दफन तेरी नज़मों के साथ तुझे बोलना है सच मुझे तुझसे नहीं डर मुझे कल का सबर तुझे कल की फिकर तुझे इश्क का हुआ तू ना उसका हुआ जिससे तेरी फिक्र थी तो घंटा खबर है तुझे तू खुश नहीं है खुद से तो सुन ले मुझे ये आवाजें तेरे तक आने तो दे आजादी चाहता है तेरा ये दिल ना मुझको बुलाने के रास्ते देख मैं हावी हो जाऊं तो होने दे मैं बाकी हो जाऊं तो होने दे खोने लगा है तो खोने दे तेरे पीछे पूरी दुनिया को रोने दे I'm looking alive, I'm looking alive, I'm looking alive, Astro. I'm looking alive, I'm looking alive, I'm looking alive, Astro, Astro, Astro. Welcome to my Astro world. I'm looking alive, I'm looking alive, I'm looking alive, Astro. Welcome to my Astro world. I'm looking alive, I'm looking alive, I'm looking alive, Astro, Astro, Astro. Welcome to my Astro world.
Welcome to my Astro World.
समझ आया कुछ?
थोड़ा सा it's like you're एग्जाम ले रहे हो
नहीं मुझे तो
but
मुझे
no.
क्योंकि मुझे समझ नहीं आया सो इट्स लाइक चीटिंग नोट्स के कुछ समझ आया चीटिंग नोट्स दे दे कुछ कर लेते
What
हैं
did you get? I
मतलब
got he's very angry. He's very angry.
yeah he's sad
No,
angry
I'm just kidding. Yeah, no. Seriously, I feel like he this was your dark thoughts and your dark side and your
yeah
just your frustrated angry side which you don't want to deal with, but he's always
yeah
constantly surfacing and
correct
making you think thoughts. This is
yeah
that side of him and that projecting
yeah
all those thoughts into the song.
correct
So
correct
that's my basic takeaway. You?
same yeah
Mm,
same that's
mm,
the thing that's like a how like a parallel world that's running like a parallel inner world that's constantly on which we
yeah.
don't usually showcase बाहर की दुनिया को तो जो अंदर चल रहा है उसको यहाँ पे they're welcome to my astro world like so this is his astral side so he's calling it astro world that's the connection I'm
Mm,
making
mm,
it might totally not be that but in my head that's the connection and then
mm,
the stuff that he was speaking also that he's himself not accepting that side of him you know, the inner side, the astro world. And his whole thing that now welcome to my world, where he's kind of welcoming himself to his inner world. And then the dialogue that's going on. So even in the visual, the way screen को जैसे तीन में divide करके वो constantly screen के एक side में था talking to the other, and the screen would shift, and then the next it would pan into the other side of him who's listening in different angles. कार के अंदर ये वो कि वो normal चीजें कर रहा है, लेकिन उसके अंदर की जो आवाज loudly चीख रही है, that is, you know, that other side of him which is on the bridge and stuff like that.
Yeah,
So
which,
the overall
which is the
impact
side
got to
he's
be-
not showing others. The side
Yeah.
he's showing the world is that laughing, you know, the one taking
Yeah.
the selfies and
chilling.
videos.
Yeah.
That, and plus it's, you know, I'm sad, it was so like written in bold big letters across the
Yeah.
screen. It's kind of like him saying, don't misunderstand me because of my attitude or my this thing. On the inside, I'm
Yeah.
actually sad. And even just like that bit where it said, the text was very revealing in that sense. The text kind of told
Yeah.
you what's going on more than what
Right.
we were seeing visually, and even in his lyrics. It
Correct.
said create a change, don't change to create. So you remember that bit that flashed?
Yeah. There were many such things, you know. So this is what like how the two lines that you just spoke,
yeah,
and then within the thing there was some certain lyrics which he was like, you know, self-talk that was going on, but it was so insightful that actually if we could go through the lyrics properly, there were some really major things he was talking about, you know,
some
and very
bars
like
and some
hard-hitting
truth
stuff.
bombs. Yeah, big
yeah.
time. So that's what I'm saying. Like, I feel like this song, you know, a lot of we've seen this happen a few times. They're therapeutic songs. They need to be created by the artist to just let it out. It may not be coming from a place of trying to explain themselves. It may not be coming from a place of justifying their actions or whatever. It is just venting, and it is just releasing. So that's the feeling I'm getting from this, especially like, and he's saying that you want me to change, but I don't want to change in order to create. I want to create from every place inside me. So it's a little heavy.
It's very heavy.
Very heavy.
There was this one right in the center of the song, like center of the song I'm saying, like right at the mid level के बाद एक बहुत ही distinct two lines आई थी which suddenly like had me focused. Now I don't recall them, but I think you know which part I'm talking about,
I know
right?
which part.
I think it was too distinctive to miss.
Yes.
Like वो बहुत amazing, like very heavy. Okay, now let's also talk about his delivery and his flow, because I think it was so smoothly done, with so much emphasis on the vocals as a background, putting his emotions in the forefront in such a beautiful way that the first thing that we are talking about is the feeling of the song and what he was talking, because that has come across to us so strongly that we've kind of just bypassed, you know, the tool that was used to make us understand his feeling was so smooth that we've kind of bypassed that completely. Like, at least in my senses, that's happening. So in my head, I think that's what brilliantly executed. Because if the song is so smooth and it's spoken in such a nice way, where you forget only कि क्या बोला है, but आपको जो कहा है वो याद रहे. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. I feel like this kind of just shows you why he won the hustle.
Oh, he did. Yeah, I forgot.
You know,
about that.
the it's just pure and simple as that. Like the skill level in terms of delivery and flows and emphasis on the right lines. And it said, I think it said in the credits here that he has mastered it. So he knew where to pull the music back. The arrangement is him. He knew where to pull the music back and give the vocals the center stage and play around in with those parts of the song. It was very powerfully done. Are you gonna? I know.
Away from this song.
Are you gonna listen? Yeah. Is it going on your regular listening playlist?
Nope, because it's too heavy. And right now, one, I'm not in this zone, and two, the reason the moment the song finished and I asked you, "Kya samajh mein aaya?" It's because my zone right now is so away from this kind of music that every time I listen to the song, this song has that quality that it can pull me with it. Which means that by the end of it, like right now, my heart is feeling heavy.
Yeah.
So while it's a great song composed fantastically, where it's landed up pulling the audience fully in, but do I want to feel like this?
No.
Yeah. So
yeah. So in that sense, the song has done its job of creating that mood in the listener, or creating that feeling, that emotion in the listener. So Yeah, it's intriguing. It's definitely intriguing me about the storyline of the film. I'm saying, of the album.
Yeah.
So now he's basically told us, this is my Astro world. Welcome to my Astro world. This is Astro. I'm guessing this is Astro. And next is Riot. Next is Riot. So
Yes. So you know how, like,
to
when he
see.
introduced Riot, suddenly that screen came and it stopped. And I thought, wait, like, did this just stop very abruptly midway? And
Yeah.
then I realized,
Then
you
the
know,
thing
they're already
started.
like plugging.
Hmm.
Yeah, they're
Ah.
plugging the next song already in it. So
Can
yeah.
I also say that his acting in this video was very, it's not easy to act like that, you know, the intense bits where he's screaming into the camera and he's just going a little nuts on the staircase and on the floor and while walking around. Very intense acting. Like,
But see, that's the thing.
even acts well.
Maybe he wasn't acting.
Maybe he wasn't. Maybe he was just, I know,
Like,
but you
you know,
you
we
do
all
you
get
do
caught
a,
up
you do a
yeah,
couple of
थोड़ा
takes
सा-
when you're shooting.
Yeah,
Huh?
yeah,
So
yeah.
but acha kiya, very nice.
Because the very fact that हम ये contemplate कर रहे हैं,
बहुत,
question कर रहे हैं, मतलब बहुत बढ़िया था
हाँ,
उस तरीके से. Yeah.
just very, it started off on this very bizarre note with that, you know, the camera recording screen frame,
Yeah.
and you could see the levels and all that on the left
Correct.
side.
Yeah.
I was like, okay, this is a concept that is
Huh.
very, is it going to stay like this? And then it went into a completely different zone, and I was like, oh, okay, he's
Yeah.
flexing his acting skills also. Very nice. So ठीक है, lovely. Tell us, no, you don't need to tell us, we know what to do next. We are going to get to Riot. Yeah. And the
And if
album
you've
shall
been
continue.
listening to us, yeah,
Hmm.
till right now, that means you've obviously liked the reaction and liked this video. So hit that like and subscribe, because you know that just helps us also know that you liked it.
Yes. So yeah, on that note, check out Ms. Bhola's channel. It is linked below. And also her new website. It's linked below. Go check it out right now. All her work is there.
So you can, yeah, you can see
And,
all the different things I've done, audio
yeah,
CDs and stuff like that, and you can listen to
is
those.
all there on her new site. So check it out. And chalo, that's it. Take care of yourselves and give in to the dark side, but not all the time. That's what I have to say.
That's it.
Acknowledge the dark sides. So yeah, that's all. Live long and prosper. See you in the next one.